Folks, we do have a Jack Ma sighting, and he's primarily the reason why Alibaba is going to close this month in the green. We can see on the monthly chart huge buying pressure coming in near that $68 level. Going to the weekly chart, that buying pressure has caused this extended range green candle to occur this week. Now, I am going to remove this weekly buyer's level off the chart. It worked once, twice, but not a third time, because the China economy is still struggling to regain its mojo since the pandemic. Do you see this drop, base, drop, drop, base, drop? Worked once. Price is coming back now. This will be a nice shorting opportunity, actually. You have what was support should be resistance. All right, so before we continue with the news, let's look at this article. Coming from investing.com, Alibaba stock rallies on report found that Jack Ma is buying shares. So again, Jack Ma co-founded Alibaba back in the days, has been actively purchasing shares in the tech giant. According to the New York Times, Ma's doubling down on Baba is signaling a potential shift in sentiment. He had notably clashed with Chinese officials, which led to him disappearing. Many thought he might have been, However, he's back on the scene, and he's buying shares in the company. Now, despite relinquishing control of Alibaba's fintech sister company, Ant Group, last year, Ma has been acquiring shares in Alibaba. Jack Ma, though, no longer serves as an executive chairman for the company, remains a significant shareholder, and reportedly purchased $50 million worth of the Hong Kong traded stock in the same period. So it's also traded on the Hong Kong exchange as well as the U.S. exchanges. The positive sentiment is also underpinned by Bloomberg's report that the China's government is working on a stimulus package to support the embattled stock market. So U.S. indices are making all-time highs. China indices are making all-time lows or are at levels it last seen 10 plus years ago. While the purchase size may seem relatively modest in comparison to Alibaba's 171 billion market capitalization, the involvement of these influential figures suggests a noteworthy development. All right, so again, this is setting up for a sell at $78. I'm looking for a price to penetrate the zone a bit deeper to find those unfilled sell orders. But here's the setup. At least to retest this week's lows at 68. So this would be roughly a 3-to-1 reward to risk setup. It's not an A setup. Probably give it a B. So let's see what happens over the coming weeks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.